Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you inside the lower place what it has given, okay, charger, and about the what it is, okay, inside the box, okay. It's in the company of lower place 2. So friends, this is a lower place 2 mobile phone, and I have ordered this one blue in color. So friends, on the back side you can see this one, okay, the premium glass back design that I have ordered. This all are the premium in glass, okay. The back side 6 GB plus 5 GB RAM, 128 GB UFS memory, using 3616 ultra fast processor, 13 MP plus 2 MP rear camera, 18 MP selfie camera, 18 fast charger with type C USB cable. You can understand this is the 18-watt fast charger. This is fast charger, but it's 18-watt, okay. 90 Hz punch hole, 16.55 cm HD display, Android 12 OS with autonomous and auto call recording. Then here fingerprint sensor, you can see, and face off lock. So powerful battery, 500 mAh. Okay, so it has been made in India. So friends, I'm just going to show you inside the box what it has given, okay. Inside the box, in some mobile phone they don't give like a cable charger, okay. That's why I'm just showing you, okay. And friends, I have finished to open this mobile phone. It's not new, but I'm just going to show you, okay. So don't mind, okay. But I will show you everything, like everything is good. Not I do not use it, okay. I just put it like that, okay. So friends, inside it is, I'm just opening the box. So please try to watch to the end the video so that you can understand more about this mobile phone, okay, whether it is good or not, okay. So let's check it. So friends, inside the box I have inside this box, okay, I have got this cable wire, okay, this cable wire, and this SIM ejector, okay. It has given in the plastic, okay, so that it will here gone here and there, okay. And here is a cover. It used to give the mobile cover also, so I just like it, okay. They used to give the transparent mobile cover, and outside we have to buy. Then it may be like 200, 300, or it may be low or high, I don't know, but in my side it used to charge 350, 400 also, okay. So it's good that it has given the charger, I mean the cover also. I'm very happy. And here you can see friends, this is the charger, that is 18-watt, okay. This is the charger, 18-watt. It could be fast charge, but it's 18-watt, okay. And friends, this is the mobile phone, and I have ordered the blue color. See, this is the Lava Blast blue in color, okay. I love the color. You can see the color is good, okay friends. And friends, here is the camera, torch, everything you can see, okay. It's good. On the side also you can see it's very attractive. I just love this mobile phone, okay, especially those everything, the color design, I just love it. And here you can see is the mic, okay friends. And after that, let's check on the SIM ejector. It's give you dual SIM card, and not only that, they give you the memory and to insert your memory also. And here you can see your speaker and speaker, charger, and your mic, and the option of that, you know friends, okay. And friends, when I open this mobile phone, here you can see your mobile phone. And if you want to know about your camera, okay, so camera is good. I have finished to capture photos, okay friends. Here you can see it's very good, okay. My room is little bit dark. I just on the light, okay. That's why you can see it differently, okay. Same color, okay, same with this color, okay. So camera is good. Inside the camera it has given video, portrait, and more option. In the more option, pro, panorama, refocus, time lapse, slow motion, audio, not filter, intelligent scanning, and motion photo. See, it has given filter also. has given, then okay friends. So and now let's check about this sound. How is the sound, whether you will like or not. Okay, so the sound is, friends, here is the sound. Just click on the sound, and from here let's play from sim 1 and play some music from here. Okay, example, I want to play some this dash key opening. It's not good much, so from there let's search more sounds. Okay, so the sound also good, right? And if you want to know about the quality, then I can show you the quality. I finished to open this mobile phone. Okay. It's almost 10 days already, this mobile phone. Right now I'm just unboxing for you. I'm just showing what it has given inside the box. Okay friends, so you can see the quality is nice. Okay, see, on this side also you can see clearly, upside also you can see clearly, see still that, and on this side also you can clearly, and here on this side also you can see clearly. Okay, so it's good. You can make this one low also, you can make this one more high also. See, more and more high, you can zoom it. Okay, and here when I move on these settings, friends, here's the quality, auto quality, and here's the recommended, and here's the advanced. Now let's select this first options. Okay, here is that. So you know about the quality, sounds, and the camera, how it is. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Friends, hope you feel bored or nice, I don't know, but I have just show you how the mobile phone and how inside it is. Okay, it's my pleasure. Okay, if you